Hello friends, from this video you will learn 10 lines on my mother. Here I will show you two version essays on my mother. I hope, believe and expect that you will enjoy this video. So let's get start with the first version. My mother's name is Cristina. This is first sentence. 2. She loves and cares for me. Here we have added is with love and is with care because she is the third person singular. That is why we have taken the singular verb by adding s. She is good at many things. This is the third sentence. She teaches me important lessons. This is the fourth sentence. Fifth, we enjoy spending time together. 6. Her cooking is delicious. 7. She makes me feel happy. 8. She helps me when I need it. I love my mother, Cristina. 10. She is always there for me. That is, she stands by me when I face difficulty. Now we'll learn the second version essay on my mother. That is, here are more 10 sentences on my mother. This is the first sentence. My mother is the most special person in my life. Okay. Second sentence. She takes care of me and loves me every day. Third sentence. She cooks delicious meals that make me smile. Fourth sentence. Mom helps me with my homework and learning new things. Fifth. She tells me stories and talks me at night. Here you need to avoid in, right? Here I have my writing has excess in. 6. Mom's hugs and kisses make everything feel better. 7. She teaches me to be kind, polite and respectful. 8. We have fun together, playing games and laughing. 9. Mom's smile is like sunshine on a rainy day. 10. I love my mother. 10. I love my mother more than words can say. I love my mother more than words can say. I hope, believe and expect that these two version essays on my mother will help you to write better in your